Welcome back to another episode of Shed Life UK. The Yaris is back on the road and she is running beautifully. She's just behind the camera. I'm not going to reveal her just yet because I want to explain a little bit more about what happened. So, obviously, as you saw in the last episode, we took it apart. We made sure that it was all a bit more structurally sound than it was. We couldn't take the bonnet off because a couple of bolts were a bit seized in, but we finally got that off. There was a slightly bit more structural damage than we expected, but nothing a mallet can't fix. So we bashed that back out into place, did a couple of bit of bodge jobs, you know, a couple of zip ties, a couple of cables. She's looking perfect right now. So let me just go grab her and we're back in a sec. Here she is. So we had a slight little problem actually getting it back together because, like I said, we had to use a mallet and we had to actually work out where we had to bash it and how far we had to bash it into place. But a couple of the zip ties, as you can see here as well, you know, the drift stitching, because the Yaris is a proper drifter. She's back and running perfectly as always. Only cost me 50 quid, which is quite amazing, seeing as I actually paid for the car with 50 quid. But that put in total, so the new manifold, the new front end, and the actual car itself, I'm £150 down, which isn't bad, not bad at all. So let us know what you want us to do in the next episode of Shed Life, because we need to get Josh and Ryan back out, and we need to get the other two sheds in the videos. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification for any more posts we do. See you in the next one.